That's really what drew me to it, is being able to work with my hands and solve problems that are right there in front of me. There's a lot to it. You have your mechanical side, which is all your refrigerants, and then your electrical, which runs all your controls, and then airflow on top of that. But I would definitely like to go into shooting service, so I would be a journeyman for whether a company or starting my own company. And I would just go service air conditioners, whether that be through commercial or residential, I'm not sure yet. One of the biggest things that a lot of people who are wanting to become HVAC journeymans go into is electrical. That's one of our biggest components that we work with. However, it doesn't have the many complexities that an HVAC tech has, because as an HVAC tech you have to have the knowledge of an electrician, a plumber, and then you have to have that airflow knowledge as well. But like I said, I would just say if you like dealing with challenging problems and like challenging yourself, this would definitely be the program for you.